Hey, it's your boy, the P to the A. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Spanish-style paella. It's going to be fast and easy, so let's go. Alright, so here I have some of the ingredients. I'm using shrimp, but you can use chicken. I have some jalapenos from the garden, some onions, and then I have some Portuguese chorizo, or you can use Spanish chorizo. What's going to make everything nice and easy and save us a lot of time is this Goya yellow rice, and we'll get into it more as the video progresses. I also have here some garlic, and you can see all the ingredients. And these are easily obtainable, simple ingredients, so let's get going. And of course, we're going to need a skillet, and to this skillet, we're going to add extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to heat this up a little bit. Once we have the extra virgin olive oil in the pan, we're going to go ahead and add our Goya yellow rice, and we want to make sure we coat all that rice with the olive oil and incorporate all those spices that come with that rice. And this rice really is the star of the show and what's going to enable us to make this dish fast and easy. Once the rice browns up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add the sausage, the onions, the jalapenos, and the garlic. I'm adding chicken broth to this, and we're going to go ahead and mix it and make sure that all those flavors incorporate. And then we're going to go ahead and let this come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, like it is here, we're going to go ahead and cover it, and then we're going to turn the heat lower so we can let it simmer. So I did have some olives in my fridge, and I decided to just wash them and then add them to this, and I think it brings a Mediterranean flavor. These are optional, but I think it gives it color and a little bit more dimension and flavor, so I added these as well. As you can see here, it looks delicious already, and the rice really is absorbing all those flavors, and it's almost time for the shrimp. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a little cilantro for color while the rice is still absorbing those flavors and it's simmering. Once some of this liquid starts to evaporate and there's less and less liquid, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and add the shrimp. I did turn up the heat just a little bit prior to doing that, but as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and place the shrimp all around the rice and on top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back to low like I had before and cover it. And after a few minutes, it starts looking like this, and again, you can still see it's kind of soupy, and you really want the rice to be nice and loose and not as liquidy as it is here. So we're gonna go ahead and let it simmer for a little bit more and let that liquid evaporate a little bit more. So the Goya rice does come with instructions, but for a cup of rice I added about 3 cups of water, so a 3-to-1 ratio. The Goya yellow rice comes with all the spices that you need, and it really speeds up this dish. And as you can see here, the final product, you see some of the liquid has evaporated, the rice is loose, and it looks delicious. Now I'm using shrimp here, but you can use poultry, you can use other seafood if you want, but really the whole point is that this dish was created fairly fast, and it's a really delicious dish that you could serve to your guests or your family, and they're going to enjoy it. This is the kind of delicious meal that you can make in under 10 minutes. It looks fancy, it smells good, it tastes good, and I know you're going to enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.